Okay.
It's not first anymore.
It's going to YouTube. First ever startup, 1989 Zippo. Brand new. Look. Brand new. Very clean. Focus.
We gotta do that.
See the V? Okay. A-class lighter. 1989, first startup. You ready?
Extra.
Bingo.
So extra. Kiss.
Love you, baby. Okay, now we're going to christen it with a Lucky Strike. Lock the house here. I just locked it. Cool.
Go outside. Come on, go in there.
Mom, Addis. Good boy. Okay. Fresh pack of Luckies. Brand new 1989 Zippo. Oh shit. Y'all got a Tecate holding you up. Shit beer. It's a good night. So we are 2 minutes and 45 seconds in. It's embarrassing. Windy out here. 2 minutes 45 seconds in. So for the channel JRC Shenanigans, we have a bit of an update, a new development. I recently bought a 2015 Chevy Camaro SS. It's the 1SS, so cloth seats. None of the fancy jazz inside. 6-speed manual. It's got the LS3, I believe, 6.2 liter V8. We're going to be doing a review on that very soon, and you guys will finally see the RC in JRC Shenanigans. JRC Shenanigans, for those of you who don't know, which would be everybody. Job, yours truly, Rusty, you'll meet him, and Chapman, Chappie, JRC Shenanigans. We do all kinds of shenanigans, and it's a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that review. And I got a new review coming along your way too. That's the HKVP9. Yeah, gun channel reviews, fun stuff.